10 seconds. Shot clock.
All two, all two. All two, Ed, ha?
Pangit din yung ha? 10 seconds. Same ball. Ultul. Takla. Eh. Hello. Pasok ba? Wala.
Wala.
6 minutes, 55 seconds to go. First half.
Bro, ano next game? Winner to winner?
Winner loser. Winner loser. Game 1 winner, game 2. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We're back courtside in Champs Alcuz. Welcoming back our good teammate Kim. Kim, how's your injury going?
Yeah, it's fine now. Honestly, I took 3 weeks in the spa for therapy treatment, and then now I feel better. Thank you.
Welcome back, Kim.
Thank you.
Back to the ball game. Wayne with the ball. 2 points.
Parang outside stories lang, ha?
Ten seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2.
Bang! Boss Rich in the house.
Pinoy. Budol James,
James Budol. Bang bang. Mick Penisi. Ay, layo. Mick Penisi to Rich Alvarez. Mick Penisi for 3. No good. Ang galing. Nice box. Ang ganda talaga ng pasahan ng dalawang yan. Oh. 4, 3, 2, 1. And dapat Ed, meron pa tayo isang taga-timer. Isa lang sa score, isa sa timer.
Rodimer! Wait to Ken!
Ganda, lalim eh.
Ilang taon na kayo? Ilang taon na kayo? How old are you?
10 seconds.
8, 7, 6, ha?
3.
2.
Change ba?
Wala. Change court na ba? Hanap yung ganung person, nasa pas ka agad ng bola eh.
10, 9, 8,
6.
Ten seconds. Five, four, three, two, one. Good.
Good.
Waiting for the Richard to Richard. Match up.
Reach to reach.
RC to RC.
Ay, naiwan. Uy! Uy! Ang galing! Ang galing!
Budol, 4-3.
Gawin natin ng ano, na reels yung diretso sa airport. Yung turn around niya. Oh,
6 seconds shot clock. 5, 4,
3, 2, 1. Oh! Nice pick. Ah!
Friday ng madaling araw. Sorry, ano, Sabado ng madaling araw.
Nice one. Ganda.
6, 12. Anim na ba?
Anim, both games. Anim.
Anim.
48 seconds. Shot clock.
10 seconds.
10 seconds. 7, 6, 5. Nice Wayne. Nice Wayne. Wala. 30 seconds. 30 seconds. 20 seconds. I lost that. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ay! Change score, change score. Ilan ang lamang?
16-6.
10.
Walo ko lang, Apple.
16-6. Nakashoot si Rich. Black ball, black ball.
Apple na, Apple. Hindi, iba-iba pagka sa... Balik natin.
Tumira si Jim.
Mama. O sige, simple.
No count, no count, no count. No count. Budol, budol. Bang, bang. Nice week! Nice week! Isa pa! Ah! Good, 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 good dyan! Continuous! Naubos! Uy! Grabe yun ah! Boss Rich, galaw!
18-6.
Galaw! Boss James, galaw! Energy, energy, energy!
18-6.
Energy!
Tiro box. Nice shot.
Nice box, nice box!
18-8.
Sampu lang. 6 minutes.
6 minutes.
Defense, defense! Defense! Up! Good, 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 good. Okay, continue, continue! Okay, continue! Isa pa, Bogs, isa pa uli. Sige, continue lang, continue lang.
Shot. Yun o, ganda. Okay.
Up. Post. Stop. Post. Simic.
18-10. Wala na. 5 minutes na.
Si Coach Lawrence. Woo! Injury. First aid.
Good.
First aid.
Game na.
Uy, ganda. Simic.
20-10.
First aid. Mick.
Shot clock.
Good.
10-20.
Up. Oh. Dalawa, injury sa team.
James ba, James? Hindi.
White ball.
Ball, pink ball.
White ball.
Lakal ba?
Bola sa Pecos.
Foul.
Wala. Good.
Good.
Oh. Foul.
10-20. Last 4 minutes.
Ay, ang ganda.
Pass.
Ang ganda.
Wala na lang. Wala.
Linaw ng mata ni James, no? Kitang-kita yun. Hindi ko nakita yun. Pag perol, kailangan yun.
12-20. Wala.
8 seconds shot lang.
Ilang oras na lang? Remaining.
6, 5, 4, 3.
Okay, tuloy. Ay, ang ganda! Unorthodox. Ayaw laro namin sa Tuesday yan eh. Foul. No count ah.
12-20. Score.
James, tuloy. Walang ano yan.
Shot clock. 10 seconds.
Ganda.
Pass.
Anim.
14-20. Anim na lang. Ang score? 14-20. Anim na lang.
Uy! Nice one!
Yan talaga yung patira nila.
Oh. Malalaki eh.
Last 2 minutes!
Di ba? Wala pa. Wala pa ba?
Ah!
Wala pa dito. Dapat.
Last 2 minutes!
Last 2 minutes.
22!
Anim lang yan. Anim lang yan.
Last 2 minutes na tayo ha.
2 minutes!
Tatlong shoot lang yan.
Tawag doon, cold win. Ano yan, nakita mo yung wild win.
Camera, Kim, ano nga tol?
16-22.
16-22. Kim, ano nga tol?
White ball.
White ball, white ball, white ball, white ball.
16-22 score. White ball.
Please, the boss. Hindi pwede.
Oras, remaining
1
time.
minute, 29 seconds.
Shot clock, bumapatay sila.
Clock, 6 seconds.
Shot clock, bumapatay sila oras. Good, good. Tapik. Good.
Good daw.
Tapik. Good.
Good, sabi na
Good. Tapik eh. Ipapasa yun eh.
1
Last 1 minute.
Last 1 minute tayo ha. Pwede naman.
16-22.
Bakit kailangan? Ano lang?
Shot clock.
Anim.
Shot clock.
May out tayo ha.
May foul tayo ha, may foul ha.
Gawa na lang. Nakakalaman na ano.
Good ya, good. Foul pa. Foul daw.
Sigaw agad. Kasi sa timer.
Sige. 1 minute.
Wala ka na. Sigaw agad. 28, 27.
Shot clock. 3, 2, 1.
Good.
Okay, good ya, good. Continuous. Ah.
13, 12, 11,
Neng. 3 points. 3 points.
7, 6,
5. Foul.
4 seconds.
Free throw.
Free throw, next.
Free throw. Isang free throw lang.
Sa free throw, next foul. Next seconds.
Next foul.
4 seconds.
4 seconds. Shot clock yun ha. Foul.
3 seconds. Free throw.
Isa. Anim.
Tatlo.
Naka 3 points si Rich. Tatlo lang lamang.
Free throw lang.
Free throw. Isa lang ha. 1 free throw. Okay. Hindi, dapat isang free throw lang. Oh.